Hey everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate related to the Visual Studio. So if you wanted to take any help or if you wanted to know any updates related to the Visual Studio, be it Windows or be it Mac OS. So what you have to do it is go to the help. So when you just click on help, you'll be able to see, let's say, join us on social media. And if you just click on this Visual Studio blog, just click on this Visual Studio blog so that it will be navigated to the Visual Studio blog where you can able to see like what is this use you can able to read here the official source of product insight from Visual Studio engineering team. So here everything you can get help from the which is related to the Visual Studio. See here, developing accessible apps with Visual Studio, how you are going to develop some apps. Okay, and build better extensions. How you have wanted to create some extensions. If you wanted to try this Visual Studio 2022, so they are giving some preview here. So means as of now I'm using Visual Studio 2019. So they have already posted something related to the Visual Studio 2022 and how to add the files or folders in a fastest way. So you'll find different blogs which is related to the Visual Studio. So you can get some help related to the Visual Studio completely. And if there is any updates which have already came, so or if you wanted to check anything related to Visual Studio, everything Visual Studio blog is completely there here to help us. So if you wanted to check anything related to that, you can go ahead and just click on this help icon and follow us, join us on social media and Visual Studio blog. Thank you guys, that's it for today. Subscribe for more videos.